morning, students. How are you? I think you are well. First, I introduce you myself. I am Rizal Karim. I am an assistant teacher of English, Nadabas PMSC High School. I congratulated you to my class on online. Today we are going to learn an important class. Dear students, look at the whiteboard and can you tell me what I am going to teach you? The boy looks very tall. The boy looks very tall. Oh yes, today we are going to learn about the use of the capital letters. Capital letters or capitalization and capitalization. Today we are going to learn capital letters, use of capital letters or capitalization. What is capitalization? Capitalization means the use of the method of capital letters. So you have to listen very carefully. Where we have to use the capital letter. First, number one, the first letter of the sentence must be capital. He goes to school. Here the first letter is. So we have to write in this way. He goes to school. So first letter of the sentence must be capital. Okay. Then number two. The first letter of each sentence of English poems must be capital letters. The music I bore in my heart. I bore in my heart. Long after it was not heard. Here the music and long. We have to write in this way. T is the capital letter. Here long L we have to write in capital letters. The music I bore in my heart. Long after it was not heard. Then the first letter of proper noun and proper adjective must be capital. She is Julie and she is American. Here Julie is proper noun and American proper adjective. Proper adjective. So, the first letter of proper noun and proper adjective must be capital. Julie is proper noun and American is proper adjective. Next, number 4. The name of the days and month will be capital, such as Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In this way, we have to write the names of the days. The first letter must be capital. So here Saturday is capital letter. Sunday is capital letter. Monday capital letter N. Tuesday. In this way, we have to. Then the name of the month: January, February, March. In this way, we have to write the names of the month, the first letter in capital. January, February, March. We have to write in the next of the month. The last letter must be capital. Then number 5, the first letter of the term will be capital letters. For example, our annual exam will hold on December. Here, our annual exam, this is a term. Our annual exam will be held on December. This is the first letter. So, the first letter of the term will be capital letters. Then any historical event will be in capital letters. Historical events such as the Battle of Plassey, the Battle of Plassey, the Battle of Plassey, the language movement, the Battle of Plassey. This is a historical event. Then the language movement, Here, this is a historical event, language movement. So, any historical event, the first letter must be capital letters. The first letter of any intersection or word must be capital. You have to remember the first letter of any intersection or word must be capital. Oh Allah, oh Allah, help me. Intersection and word Allah, here it is must be capital. Then next number, abbreviation letter, addressing letter, and quotation mark must be capital. He is BA. This is BA. It is abbreviation. He is MA. This is abbreviation. So we have to write the abbreviation letter in capital letters. Then addressing word must be written in capital letters. My dear mother. Then my dear father. So we have to write in this way. We have to write in capital letters. Mother, father, my dear sir, my dear sir. We have to write in this way, capital letters. This is addressing word. And quotation marks. He said to me, honesty is the best policy. This is quotation marks. Honesty. We have to write the capital letters. Honesty. The quotation, as it is a quotation mark, we have to write it in capital letter. Honesty is the best policy. Then these are addressing word, and first I told you the abbreviation. Capital letter is used at the beginning of the newspaper, then hill, mountain, river, etc. The Daily Star. The Daily Star. So this is newspaper. We have to write it in the capital letters. Then the Holy Quran. Holy Quran. We have to write it in capital letters. So, name of the newspaper, Holy Quran, Hills, etc. We have to write the first letter in capital letters. Then first letter of any institution must be capital. You can see here Malgabas KMSC online school. We can say this way, Dhaka University. Dhaka University. So, name of that, Malgabas KMSC High School. Malgabas KMSC High School. So, name of the institutions must be capital letter. Then capital letter is used of an expressed. Used of the first letter of the word of a express. Capital letter is used at the word of the first letter of a express. Such as Bangladesh, Bangladesh Railway. So Bangladesh Biman. Bangladesh Biman. So the first letter must be capital letter. Capital letter is used. Capital letter is used at any nation. At any nation. Indian, Bangladeshi. So, in case of nation, we have to use the first letter in capital letters. The first letter of the first letter of the of any religious must be capitals, such as the Muslims, the Hindus. In this way, this is religious, and we have to use the capital letter. So, my dear students, today we have discussed a lot of points here. Now I am giving you some home tasks. Rohim is a good student. He goes to the school every day. He never quarrels with others. So, this is your homework. You will do it in your home, and next time show it to me. Many thanks for you. No more.